All friendly feelings toward others come from the friendly feelings a person has for himself. Justice is that virtue of the soul which is distributive according to desert. Let us first understand the facts and then we may seek the cause. Distance does not break off the friendship absolutely, but only the activity of it. To be conscious that we are perceiving or thinking is to be conscious of our own existence. Man first begins to philosophize when the necessities of life are supplied. The life of theoretical philosophy is the best and happiest a man can lead. Few men are capable of it, and then only intermittently. For the rest there is a second best way of life, that of moral virtue and practical wisdom. The wise man does not expose himself needlessly to danger, since there are few things for which he cares sufficiently, but he is willing, in great crises, to give even his life, knowing that under certain conditions it is not worthwhile to live. A speaker who is attempting to move people to thought or action must concern himself with pathos. The purpose of art is to represent the meaning of things. This represents the true reality, not external aspects. To run away from trouble is a form of cowardice, and, while it is true that the suicide braves death, he does it not for some noble object but to escape some ill. Democracy arose from men's thinking that if they are equal in any respect, they are equal absolutely. The ideal man is his own best friend and takes delight in privacy. We can do noble acts without ruling the earth and sea. And of course, the brain is not responsible for any of the sensations at all. The correct view is that the seat and source of sensation is the region of the heart. To learn is a natural pleasure, not confined to philosophers, but common to all men. With respect to the requirement of art, the probable impossible is always preferable to the improbable possible. Irrational passions would seem to be as much a part of human nature as is reason. Yellow-colored objects appear to be gold,